Hello and welcome to today's project. Today we're going to take a look at some of my old audio switches that I built. So this is the revision number 1, and while it looks okay from the outside, I sadly can't show it to you working because I had to take the ATmega out of it at some point. But it looks pretty neat, well, for something that I did, and it worked. However, let's take a look at the insides and I'll tell you why I'm not using this anymore. Here we go, these are the guts of the design. And as you can see, yes, these 8 transistors are everything that does the switching in this. The audio signal is simply connected to the collector of the transistor. The base goes to an output on the microcontroller, and the emitter is the output signal. And yeah, like, I'm surprised this even worked in the first place, like, at all. But I used it for like a couple months back then. I mean, it was long ago and I really didn't have any idea about analog circuit design back then, but yeah, that's the reason why I stopped using it. Yeah. That was when at some point I decided, okay, I definitely need a new one now. That's when I went ahead and tried to build this thing here, which I never finished. This was going to be an 8 input one, as you can see here on the side. We take all this stuff out. Now, the only thing that's left, and that's practically, besides the display board, the only thing that I built for this is the analog switching board. And this time I'm using MCP 14016B analog switches. Maybe not the ideal choice again, but it would certainly work in a non-hi-fi application. Yeah, let's see, can we get this board out? Yes, we can. So that's how it looks from the bottom. Surprisingly neat. The connection to the ATmega board would be made through all of these connection posts here. That would generate quite a mess of wires, so yeah, maybe neat on the bottom, but not so neat on the top. Well, plus there's a wire broken off, yay. So yeah, these in the middle, these are the analog audio signal contacts, and these are the control signals, and a ground somewhere, I suppose. But this project never got finished, so that's the current status on that. And I'm not going to finish it ever because I stopped using my audio setup from back then, and now I have mixing consoles or nothing, simply because I only have one source left. Okay, thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked today's project, and see you tomorrow. Bye.